Hello friends, today we shall study a very important program which often comes in exams. The question is find number of characters, digits, uppercase and lowercase alphabets in a string. So first I am assuming a string S1 with the following values. We can take this value from the user, but here we are just assigning a sentence in the variable S1. Our target is to find the number of characters, digits, and uppercase and lowercase alphabets. So what we will do first, using the library function len, we shall find the length of the string S1. All right, length S1. So we are finding the length of string S1 and storing the length in len1 variable. After that, we have taken 4 variables which will act as the counter. All of them are initialized to variable 0. Variable A, 0, N0, U0, L0, 4 variables which will act like a 4 counter. All of them are initialized to 0. Then we commence a for loop which is based on loop control variable I. The loop starts from 0 and goes to len minus 1. We know that range accepts n minus 1 as the upper limit. So upper limit is len minus 1. Since all the string starts from 0, this is string, tuple, list, all these are sequence where the counting starts from 0, just like array in rest of the programming languages. So the upper limit will always be len minus 1. So what we are doing, first we are accessing the first character SI0 and checking whether it is alphabet or not. If it is alphabet, the A counter will be incremented. Likewise, again we are checking the first character whether it is digit or not. If it is digit, n increments by 1. Similarly, we are using the other 2 library function is upper and is lower. So what we are doing, we are using basically 4 library functions. Is alpha, which will check whether the character is an alphabet or not. Is digit, which checks whether a character is digit or not. Is upper, checks if the character is in uppercase letter or not, and is lower, checks if the character is in lowercase letter or not. Depending on the type of character, the respective counter will increment. Finally, we are printing the values of the counters: uppercase U, lowercase l, number of digits n, and number of alphabets a. What makes the program simple is that we are using the library function. The same program, if we do without the library function, will become quite difficult. But the good thing of Python is that there are large number of inbuilt library functions which are available, which we can use it unless and until we are asked not to use it. In some exam, you see, some conditions are mentioned that we cannot use library function. In that case, things will become a bit difficult. Else, using library function, we can make program quite short and easy. Thank you.